Tesla is launching a longer wheelbase Model Y in China. And it looks a lot like the Model X. Tesla's sales in China have fallen sharply in the first 6 months of this year. Now the brand is trying to regain a foothold in the world's most competitive electric vehicle market with a new Model Y version. The Model YL is an extended wheelbase version with room for 6 and more power than the regular Long Range AWD. Tesla started rolling out the refreshed Model Y across the world earlier this year. Now the automaker's best-selling vehicle appears to be getting another big upgrade, literally, as it grows in size to fit one of its most important markets. Meet the Tesla Model YL. The letter stands for Long. It's due in China soon, and the first photos appeared on filings with China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. According to local news reports, it will come with 6 seats, compared to the standard Model Y's 5. At first glance, the silhouette of the Model YL looks eerily similar to that of Model X, with the C-pillar and the sloping roofline at the rear looking almost identical. But the overall design is unmistakably like the latest refresh. The Model YL is 4,976 mm long, 196 inches, which makes it about 179 mm, 7.0 inches, longer than the regular Model Y. Its 1,920 mm width is identical to the 5-seater version, but the 1,668 mm height makes it about 40 mm taller. The 3,040 mm wheelbase, 120 inches, also makes it about 50 mm longer, 2.0 inches, between the axles. The curb weight will be 2,008 kilograms, 4,427 pounds, and it will feature lithium-ion batteries from Korean battery maker LG Energy Solution. All that should translate into more room inside. The 6-seat SUV segment is extremely popular in China. Tesla normally does a really good job with performance, and the Model YL is no different. According to Car News China, the Model YL will feature dual electric motors, one located on the front axle delivering 142 kilowatts and a second in the rear with 198 kilowatts. That means a combined maximum power output of 340 kilowatts, 456 horsepower. So it's more powerful than the regular long-range AWD and in fact, similar to the pre-facelift Model Y performance. Despite Tesla's global decline and CEO Elon Musk's political antics, the Model Y remained a strong seller in China last year. In fact, it was China's best-selling car in 2024 with nearly 500,000 units sold. But this year, the Model Y has been facing increasing competition from local rivals which are newer, arguably more high-tech and even have fresher designs. Model Y sales plunged 17.5% in the first half of the year in China, although part of the reason was the model year changeover. Now, Tesla is trying to make a comeback with this longer wheelbase version, which should be a better option for buyers seeking more comfort and room. Tesla said in a post on Chinese social media platform Weibo that the Model YL will launch in the autumn. It's unclear if the stretched version will make it to the US, but if it does, it could tap into Americans' relentless appetite for large SUVs.